Well, folks, I'm on my way home, but I went past my intersection because it looks like there was a major collision here. It looks like there was a major collision here. I'm going to use the Gymnastics Academy to turn around. I'm going to do it carefully. It looks like there was a major collision. All right, see, we're totally clear, oncoming. Now, there's flashing lights at the curb line, and I'm going to go over from my turning lane, but you want to be looking a little to the right. There's nobody behind me, nobody behind me, nobody behind me. Oh, the collision occurred out here, and they got off the road. I wonder how that happened. Glass in the road. I hope I didn't get it in a tire. Steve AB4EL. Just out and around. Thank you to the folks who come out to help us when we get into trouble. Saying see you in 73. See the school bus stopped up there? See the chicken truck that just went by? See you in 73.